Who's who of Indian cricket were present as Master Blaster Sachin Tendulkar's autobiography was released in Mumbai. The book, titled Playing It My Way, reflects on Sachin's career spanning 24 years. On the occasion, the Fab Four of Indian cricket got together on the stage, while Sachin's wife Anjali shared some of their interesting moments.
The Indian cricket fraternity making their presence felt at the book launch of The Little Master. And former teammates sharing their best moments spent with Sachin Tendulkar.
When only one of you had to open the batting in one-day cricket, how did you resolve that? When only one of you could go out and open the batting?
It was he who had to open. I had to bat somewhere else. And I've done that 3, 4, 5. He would open and I bat somewhere else.
Yeah, I batted a couple of times. I batted 4, right?
Yes, we did. I have done as well. He's done as well.
You had to always take strike also.
But one good thing is that, I had
Always to take strike as well.
I did one thing. I remember taking strike. I wasn't scoring runs. So I came up and told him, Sach, can you take strike? I'm just struggling just to change the luck, 2 or 3 games. He said, no, I never done that. You do it. So I said, fine, I'll do it. I was captain then. I was the only captain.
मेरा तो वैसे ही रन नहीं हो रहा था दादा, तो मेरे को लगा कि मैं वहीं पे खड़ा रहूं.
I was the only captain who had to ask from my players, can I do this? And no, it's true.
While Tendulkar had countless memorable partnerships with Dravid, Lakshman and Ganguly on the field,
It's not bad, is it?
the best one is shared with wife Anjali Tendulkar.
I didn't know he was 17 or what.
He looked 12.
I didn't even know who he was.
You didn't know who he was?
I didn't know. My friend is here, Aparna. She was with me when I went.
And
to
she said, shh, Sachin.
No, she told me, don't you know this is the wonder boy of Indian cricket, and you
Wonder
know,
boy.
He's
Okay.
just scored 100, youngest Indian to score 100. I didn't care what he was, who he was. I had no interest in cricket. I saw him. I thought he was really cute.
I didn't have any interest in medicine either.
I called Sachin, and Sachin never used to pick up the phone. In those days, there were no mobiles, nothing. But that day, he picked up the phone. And I said, hi, my name is Anjali. You don't know who I am. I saw you at the airport yesterday and all. He said, yeah, I remember. I saw you. I said, what was I wearing? He said, yeah, you were wearing an orange T-shirt. So then I know that, yes, he had noticed me.
I said orange T-shirt.
Yet while coming to controversial issues like match fixing in the book, Tendulkar shying away and playing it safe. Sports Bureau, Times Now.